How to log in to Esearch. Esearch serves as your portal to the online research databases provided by the Macdonald-Kelce Library at the University of Tampa. If you are not on campus, you will need to enter your Spartan's domain, username, and password. If you need assistance with your username and password, please contact the Student Help Desk via email at studenthelp@ut.edu or at area code 813-253-6255.
We recommend that you log into Esearch before you begin any search for data, including Google Scholar.
In order to log into Esearch, select your browser. In the address bar at the top, type the library's internet address, utopia.ut.edu, and submit. From the main page of the library's website, select Esearch. You will now be required to enter your Spartan's domain username and password. After entering both, hit Enter or click Submit. You will be brought to the database page where you will now have access to all of the databases to which the library subscribes. Selections on this page will take you directly to the database where you will not be required to log in again and will not be charged for access. Some databases will permit you to create a personalized account, enabling you to save searches and favorites for easier access in the future. Reference librarians are your guides to the library and, more broadly, the world of information. We can help you get the most out of the library's holdings and demonstrate effective ways to use the many databases at your disposal. You can reach the reference desk at area code 813-257-3057. Please see our website for reference hours.